In the modern era, to keep your web development service, you have to upgrade your skill. To more skill, you have to upgrade to make series. So this is the GPT platform. This is the lore platform I have built. This is the booking platform I have built. This is the hospital management application. I have also built this. This is the pharma application. I have used this. There are also more than 30k medicine in the Bangladeshi medicine I have scrapped from the author's website. So this is another application. Then this is the Sunrise Kids Academy. This is the daycare application. Also the complete daycare application here, everything, the CC camera, the parents, students, teacher, head teacher, also the government body of the school. So everything you can implement it. So this is the check how it implemented. 7 am, 8:30 am, 9:30 am, 11 am, and 12 pm, 1 pm, everything. And also the evening pickup. Also the latest and the most important update from your center team. Also the showing for it. Also inspired by the rest of the best learning philosophy. Montessori and play based. Stream exploration. Literacy cities environment, bilingual investment, natural ways in learning. Also the social emotional learning. So here the upcoming event also you can put. Also the caregivers who will totally care, like teacher name, preschool teacher David, preschool teacher, all teacher. Also like the Sunday Kids Academy, the whole photo, all image of the year academy will show here. Also family you can trust, the testimonial is here. Also showing the Google review. You can getting the parent portal. Also you can register from here. This is the portal login. This is the contract, notice, committee, class routine. Class base you can change it. Also about us. Also you can change the about us and home. This is the Sunday Academy home. You can change it. So this is the GPT platform, and this is the Kirimboth Academy. Also I have several applications at this time. I didn't open yet, so I will run and check it. So to sustain in that web development security, web development, you must multiple framework you have to learn, multiple languages you have to learn, like Next.js, Laravel. Also upcoming anything technology you have to learn. The quick learning is the best way to sustain in this sector, to make your position the more better. Otherwise you cannot sustain here. You have to go out like doing a job and pass your life. That's enough. So sustain in this profession you must learn daily, regularly, the update technology, update something, so it will be more safe. It will be more safer for you. So best of luck.